everyone, get ready to explore the wonders of science with these exciting and fun activities. From creating colorful salt water trick to building a 5-pointed star at home. Let's make learning an adventure and spark your imagination. Grab 2 glasses of water and let's make some magic. Now sprinkle in some salt to 1 glass and toss ice cubes into both glasses. Here's the fun part. Add a few drops of food coloring and watch the science show unfold. Salt water is like the heavyweight champ. It's denser than plain water. It has more stuff packed into the same space. The colorful ice layer is mostly plain water, float on top since they're lighter. When you add food coloring, the denser salt water keeps the color floating above it, creating a fun, vibrant layer. Science is so cool and artisty too. Let's explore how light creates a rainbow using a prism. Today we are using sunlight to see this effect. When light moves into a material like glass, it slows down. If the light hits the glass at an angle, it changes direction a bit. This is called refraction. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The amount that light slows down depends slightly on its color or frequency, as frequency of light does not change when it travels from one medium to another. Sunlight or white light isn't just one pure color. It's actually a mix of 7 colors. When it passes through the prism, each color bends a little differently. This bending separates the constituent colors into the familiar rainbow pattern we see, known as whipcord. Isn't that amazing? And finally, have you ever wondered if matchsticks or toothpicks have a secret dance party? Let's find out. All you need are some toothpicks and a little water. Arrange the sticks to form cool patterns at the joining points, then add a few drops of water to the center of the broken sticks. Watch closely as they rearrange themselves into a 5-pointed star. What's actually happening? The surface tension of the water is pulling the sticks around, giving them their moves. So grab some water and sticks and let the science party begin. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.